Hi everyone, welcome to Clash of Mathematicians Round 1. Are you ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, hi semua. Hi, good evening. Alright, everyone, welcome to our event in Matrikulasi Perak for today. It's great to see you all here. Okay, today marks the 12th April of 2025, where the Clash of Mathematicians Round 1 will be start. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Alia Fakira Bintu Fairuz, but you can call me Fakira. And I'm here with my partner.
Hi guys, I'm Jay. I and Fakir will be your moderators tonight. For information, let me introduce myself. My name is Jay. I'm from Module 1. And before moving on, I'd like to introduce our lecturer, the one and only Mr. Raj. Mr. Raj, are you here? Yes, hello sir,
Hi
welcome.
people. What's up? It's Saturday night, okay, and we are here for Clash of Mathematician Round 1, proudly brought to you by PAL KMPK. And hi, good evening Jay, good evening Kiki, how are you guys doing?
Yes, good
Mesti
evening
hari
sir.
yang
Hi
sangat
sir.
hangat. How was academic
Yes
fiesta?
sir, terlalu
I
was
heard you
very
had a lot.
professional.
Okay,
Was
Kiki,
very professional sir.
how was Acad Fiesta? Kiki, how was Acad Fiesta?
It's tiring but very fun actually, sir.
Right. Okay, so Jay, saya turun bawah dulu. Okay, I let you to have the center stage. See you guys in a bit.
Okay, bye, sir. Okay, we'll see him later. Don't worry. Okay. Before we move into the actual Clash of Mathematicians, I just give a small overview of what Clash of Mathematician is. Okay. So basically, what we have done, the Supremos of KMPK PAL Maths, which actually gathered not all but almost 90% of all the A students from semester one, those who got A for Maths in PSPM. We've gathered all of them here today so that they can challenge each other, and at the end of the competition, which is, if I'm not mistaken, 2 weeks from now, we'll find one winner who will be deemed the winner of Clash of Mathematicians, which you know is that person will become the number one mathematician in KMPK lah, after Sir Raj, of course. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to do here in Clash of Mathematicians. Okay, Kiki, I'll pass it to Kiki.
But before we start with the quizzes and question, we will go through some tips and tricks from Chin Yu, our past supremo, for him to elaborate more about an integration.
Hi guys, please give me a minute. I have some technical issue.
It's okay, Chin, you take your time. Don't worry.
Okay, and I appear back. Hi. Okay, nice to meet you guys. So hope you guys are sitting back, relaxing in your room. Okay, so this is Clash of Mathematician round 1. So kita akan fokuskan on topik integration. Okay, so topik integration, kenapa topik integration penting? Because 23 markah dalam PSPM, and of course chapter 2 mesti anda semua sudah lupa because it has been a very long time. Betul tak, J? How was integration? How is integration? J mungkin boleh cakap sesuatu. Kita dengar POV student. Sementara tunggu Chinyu. Chinyu, are you ready? Chinyu, are you ready?
Not just my internet is lagging now.
Okay,
Okay,
sementara
Chinyu. Please
kita tunggu.
carry on.
Okay. So we wait for Chinyu to sort out technical problem. So orang yang berada dekat KMPK, I'm very sure you know how the line in KMPK is. Okay, so sementara kita tunggu Chinyu, kita
Yes.
dengar daripada keluhan daripada J dan juga Kiki tentang integration. Okay, J, how is integration? Tolong berikan sedikit POV daripada anda.
Integration. Honestly, right, sir, I don't like this topic at all, sir. I don't like this topic. It's very easy for PSPM, but I don't like this topic. But I think this topic is it's a topic that everyone should target lah, because very easy. If you understand, you don't have to practice a lot also. Once you understand the very key concept, very easy to score one. But then I still don't like this. I'll do this last only.
That's a very honest answer. I like how honest you are. Kiki, how about you?
Untuk saya kan integration dia terlalu complicated for me lah. I don't know, I prefer probability rather than integration itself, because probability we can use our logic. For integration we need to use facts. And also if you don't remember the formula, habis lah, cannot.
Betul, sir.
So hopefully Chinyu will able to shed some light. Mr. Chinyu, so we are depending on you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready now, sir.
Okay, right. Over to you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Alright, guys. Hi, guys. Can you guys see my slide now? Please give me some response at the chat.
Yes.
Thank you.
Those who are watching, you all can comment also down below.
Okay, guys.
Actually,
Before I
guys,
start, I want to ask the most important question first. Are you guys ready for today's session? Ready or not? Please respond to me in the comments. Thank you. All right. Okay, so we will start our session now. Just now, Kiki mentioned, right? She said that integration is a very complicated topic, but I don't think so, because integration, I think it's just only have three kinds, right? Basic, exponential, reciprocal, and trigonometry. Four kinds only. So now I will give a quick summary about the basic rule of integration first. So basically, integration for the first kind, which is the polynomial one. So we will just integrate and we will add the x there and the constant. Same goes to this. We will separate the constant first outside of the integration before we start to integrate. And this is the basic rule of the integration, which we add 1 to the power and bring the power down and add the constant. And for additional or minus equation, right? Before we integrate, we can separate first, so it is easier for us to integrate now. Okay, for this is only applicable when the function within the parenthesis is linear only. So I have a question for you guys. If inside the bracket is a quadratic equation, can we use this formula or not?
Okay, sila typekan di ruangan komen okay, untuk respon kepada Chin Yu, okay, tentang soalan sebentar tadi, okay.
Okay, right. So you're right, guys. This equation can be only applicable when the function is linear only. So quadratic cannot use this formula. All right, next. So this is the example of a question. So when we face this kind of question, we should always expand it first. Expand it, then we can start our integration. Since this one is some equation, so we should separate it first. Then we apply integration using the formula. All right, guys. Can we separate this and this, which is the product, before we start integration? No, right? Yes, you guys are right. Because when there is multiplication or divide, you cannot separate the integration before we start. It can be only separate when it is additional or minus only. All right. Okay, now we will go to exponent, which is the second type of integration. For exponent functions, we use this method called copy over differentiate ln, which is very easy because we will just follow these words. The first step, we will copy back the equation given on the top as the numerator. And then we will differentiate the power and we will write it down at the denominator. Then we will add ln, the basic number here, and add a constant. And this same goes to power of e. So we just apply the same step and we can get the answer very easily.
Okay, just in case some of you are wondering, okay, our Sifu, okay, Chin Yu, is trying to give out some tips and tricks for the people who will be sitting for the competition in a while. So please listen carefully. Please note some of the important pointers which is being made by Chin Yu. Okay.
Right, guys. So important this is very important, and remember this, and you can solve every exponent function in integration. All right, this is one of the example question when we face integration of exponent functions. Just apply the step before. So the first step is copy. So we just copy back the function, and then the next step is differentiate. So we will differentiate the power and we write back the 3. Differentiate 3x, we will get 3, write back down here, and we add a ln 5. Same goes to this. Just apply the same step and then simplify it and we will get the final answer. Now let's move to the next type of function, which is the integration of reciprocal, which is also known as ln function. Right. When we face this kind of question in integration, which is 1 over a linear equation down there, so we can always apply this formula, which is 1 over a is, if you follow this equation here, just put here, then we add ln, copy back this one and add a constant. Okay guys, now I have a question for you guys. If the power of the x is not 1 at the denominator, can we apply this formula?
Okay.
Guys, you can comment down there. Sir,
Yeah, go on.
Come on guys, comment.
please
Jay,
answer.
Comment the question. Answer the
I
question in the
will
comment.
answer because I don't know the answer.
I pretend as though I don't know maths at all today. I'm just going to listen to Chin Yu speaking today. I don't know anything about maths. I'm just a normal person. I'm not even a
I
professional.
don't know anything about.
All right, thank you Chun Yi. Thank you Jing Hong. No, yes. Answer is no, because the formula is only applicable when the power of the x in the denominator is 1. So here are some examples. If we copy back and apply this formula when the denominator is quadratic equation, so this one is the wrong answer. So this is the correct example. Okay, here are some examples of the reciprocal functions and we're using integration. So when we look at the question, when we get question like this, which is reciprocal, right? We should always analyze first. Identify which one is the A, which one is the B. Then just apply this formula. We just substitute the values inside. Then we will get the answer very easily. All right. Now we have come
Okay.
to the last type.
All right. Okay, guys. So hopefully, you have picked up something from there. You have recap. You have refreshed back the basic integration. Okay. So as pointed out by Chinyu, second was how to integrate your exponent function. Okay. So we are into our last part, which is what is this recap differentiation of trigo. Maybe some of you might be wondering why differentiation of trigo, because it's always good if you try to connect with whatever you have learned in semester 1 rather than coming up with a new knowledge. Over to you, Sifu.
All right. Now we have reached our last type, which is the differentiation of trigonometry. And this one, I believe, is the most complicated one among all types of function in integration. All right. This is some recap about the differentiation we learned in semester 1. All right. So we get differentiate sine x, we get cos x, and this one, cos x, we get negative sine x. All right. These are just the equations we are learning in the semester 1. So now, this is what we will be learning in this semester. Right, this, which is integrate cos, we will get sine x. Integrate sine x, we will get negative cos x. Integrate sec square x, we will get tangent x. Integrate sec x tangent x, we will get sec x. And integrate cosec x cot x, we will get negative cosec x. And integrate cosec square x, we will get negative cot x. Alright, when we look at these two, this is what we learned in semester 1, differentiation. And this is what we learned in this semester, integration. Did you guys notice something?
Yeah.
Yeah, from these two.
Cuba letak komen dekat sana. Maybe y'all can pay attention to the sign. To the sign. Kalau you actually tengok negatif itu, it is specifically for a particular huruf. Okay. A particular huruf. Dan juga Azim ada jawab sesuatu. Terbalik.
Okay, Khalid, I see you asking, right? Can you slow down a bit and take a note? All right, because of time, so I will go at this pace, but don't worry, because the slide after I talk and I explain about, I will share in the group, right? Yes. Thank you, Azim and Farid. All right. Yeah, right. This is the balik. So when we face this kind of question, for example, maybe in later quiz, you ask integrate p x dapat sine 2x. So when you cannot solve this kind of question, you can try differentiate belakang. Maybe you can dapat depan punya. So always remember, this is just the reverse. Integration is only the reverse of differentiation. Okay, now this is factor formula. Factor formula is when we are integrating, the sine x and cos x are multiplying, or cos x and cos x are multiplying. So when you get the question and you see the equations, they have two terms multiplying, two terms trigonometric equation multiplying. So you can try to look at the factor formula. Okay, for example, for this question, when we see this question, we will look at this and we see the sine 4x is multiplying cos 2x, and we need to integrate it. So we will refer back to this formula. This formula is only applicable when sine and cos are multiplying in one another. So from this question, we will know that A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2. So we just substitute the value inside. Substitute, since this is addition, so we can separate it, integrate, and we will get the answer. Alright, for question number 2, cos 5x is multiplying cos 2x. So facing this type of questions, we will use the formula, this one. This is only applicable when cos and cos are multiplying. So use this formula. We identify the A and b value. So we substitute inside, we integrate, and we will get the answer. Alright, so this is how we use factor formula to solve when trig and trig is multiplying. So now we will go to using trigonometric identities, which is this one. Sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So although this is only one formula, but from the formula we can derive it, and we will get like that, the formula, this one. Okay, so for this one, integrating sine square to x, so we will refer back to the formula here. This formula, sine square ax is equal to 1 minus cos square ax over 2. So look at this question, we know that the value is a, the value of a is equals to 2. So we just substitute inside by using this formula, so we can direct integrate it.
Okay, for some of you are wondering, this is a very important things that you might be coming across shortly. Okay. Okay, so we got Nathan. Hi, good morning. It's already evening.
Alright, so this is for example 2. Example 2, which will also be the last question I will discuss tonight. So, same, when we see there is a power at the trig there, either it's a sine or cos, we will apply this formula. Not this formula, but the trig identity formula. Alright, so for this question, we will identify the value of a and substitute inside. After differentiation, after integration, then we will get our answer. Alright guys, now it is end of my sharing session, but before I end it, I have some answers to ask you. I have some questions to ask you, because tonight I'm only discussing about how to integrate only, right? But I haven't mentioned about any methods of integration, because this will be in our next sharing session, which will be in round 2. So I have a quick question for you guys. So what is the method we will use to integrate question A?
If you guys see, it's quite a nice build up, like kalau you tengok susunan dia from B to C then to A. It's a nice build up. Sine power 1, what method? Sine power 2, what method? Lepas tu kalau you ada sine square cos x, apa method? So this is something that you should able to identify by yourself, okay, when you're integrating. So Chinyu, maybe you want to just quickly just sum it up, okay, regarding method 1. Yang B itu kita start dengan B. Macam mana B itu? There you go.
B. Yes, we will just, for A, we will use substitution method. So B, we will use direct substitution, which is just apply the formula only. For C, we will refer to the double anchor. So these methods will be discussed by KKP in our next session during round 2. So please stay tuned. Alright, now I think the time is around there, so we will start our quiz session soon. Alright, thank you guys.
Thank you, Chinyu. Thank you very much for your sharing. Thank you very much. Alright.
Thank you. So Chinyu, thank you. You explained so well. I wish you explained this earlier to me. I could have got A better.
Hey, you just
actually I see
me on a live session. You just insulted me on a live session.
No sir, I know sir. This is a professional situation, sir.
Please be professional.
Yes sir.
Okay?
Please be professional. No sir, because there's another problem here. I see so many people in the comments. Some people private message me asking for Chinyu's Instagram and number all. So many girls are asking. Down at the end of the session, I will.
All right, that one we shall leave it out of the
focus.
session.
because just
Okay.
now, like Sir said, when all the questions you discuss, there are actually some tips for later on question. Who knows? Maybe the exact same question will come there. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Okay.
Kiki, macam mana
Maybe, maybe
tadi?
not. I don't know.
Okey tak tadi? Dapat tak belajar sesuatu? Refresh tak sesuatu?
Refresh sangat sir. Baru sekarang macam, oh ya Allah, patutnya I focus more because it seems very easy.
Alright. Okay, guys. So macam ni, I think we can start. Okay, with the competition. Okay, maybe some people already wondering how things are going to work. So kalau kita tengok berapa quizzes link yang akan ada sekejap lagi. Kiki, berapa quizzes link yang akan ada?
The quizzes link will be for the contestant. Quiz link akan ada dekat dalam Telegram tau. Clash of Mathematicians punya Telegram. But for audience, kalau for those yang tak register but you still want to answer the quizzes, you can actually go through the comment. One of our pile will send the quizzes punya link.
Okay, so kita ada berita baik untuk penonton di rumah. Okay, kita ada berita baik. Jay, what is the berita baik? What is the berita baik?
Okay, guys, here's this actually a surprise. Even Sir Raj just only messaged me and told me. Okay, so here's the surprise. For those of you who are watching at home, okay, maybe you think, oh, I couldn't participate, I'm not gonna get prize also. You might feel that we left out. Don't worry. The thing is, we are going to be giving you all awards also. There will be third place, first place, and second place for those who are watching at home also. But not today. At the end, during the finals, we will announce that. Of course, it will be announced by the one and only Sir Raj. Okay, so that's our little surprise lah for those who are watching at home. So, but the only way for you to get that is you have to get 3 certificates, which is proof that you attended all 3 of our meetings, not our meetings, our competitions lah. Okay, so in case any of your friends haven't joined, ask them to join right now. Faster join from their home or wherever they are. Ask them to join now because we are about to start the quizzes in a short period of time.
Okay, so we got 25 objective questions. 25
Okay, so the link for the quizzes has already been sent in Telegram. Yes, Clash of Mathematicians Telegram, and it's also in the comment section. You can open and try to join now, all of you.
Okay, so for the competitors, please go to your Telegram. Okay, please join according to module. So if you're module 1, make sure you pick the module 1 quizzes, module 2 quizzes, module 3 quizzes, and I think we can blast the quizzes untuk audience in the comment section. So there you go. Okay, it'll be coming up in the comment section. For those yang tidak dapat join, okay, jangan risau. This is the quizzes link for you. So go to this link, right? Stand by. Okay, going to join in now. We're going to flash the question, okay, on the screen, okay, for the penonton di rumah untuk tengok. Okay, so are we ready? Adakah kita sudah dapat isyarat untuk bermula?
Kejap sir, tengah masuk orang.
Okay. Okay, so we wait for people to join. So audience di rumah tolong join, jangan sia-siakan peluang ini. So ini adalah satu peluang baik untuk kamu revise, untuk kamu revise. So please join, and at the end of the session we going to get people ataupun expert daripada PAL untuk discuss 3 questions that most student make mistake. So 3 soalan yang buat mistake akan dibincangkan pada akhir siaran. So sekiranya anda sudah habis menjawab, tolong jangan leave the live session, and also live leaderboard akan ditunjukkan dari masa ke semasa. Okay, so sekiranya anda ingin tahu kedudukan semasa anda, tolong intai di YouTube live untuk tengok di manakah kedudukan anda. Okay, so bila anda join quizzes kamu tu, tolong type nama penuh, tolong jangan letak nama glamour. Okay,
Sir, don't forget about class also.
Sorry, coming in. Class also. Tolong typekan nama dan juga kelas anda. Okay, di quizzes name before anda start. Okay, so are we getting the isyarat untuk mulakan? Adakah semua sudah standby? Apa kata dari studio? Are we ready to start? Okay, kita nantikan isyarat daripada studio. And soalan juga akan dipaparkan di sini, okey, di screen untuk anda lihat apakah soalan yang akan kita paparkan, and kami akan membuat perbincangan secara tidak langsung, okey, untuk penonton-penonton di rumah selama 30 minit, okey, because itu adalah masa yang diperuntukkan untuk menjawab 25 soalan objektif. Okey, 25 soalan objektif. So please grab your pen, please grab your paper. Sekiranya anda ingat boleh guna chat GPT, saya rasa anda boleh cuba mencabar diri anda. Photomat ke chat GPT boleh ke hari ini? Nak guna?
Guys, just be a little bit patient. We are getting the ring is about to go on, so just be patient. Just a few more minutes. Prepare
Okay.
yourselves.
Okey, Encaying, anda adalah satu penonton setia yang sentiasa mengikuti rancangan di Akademi YouTuber. Terima kasih, Caying, sebab setia dengan Akademi YouTuber. So, while we are waiting, okay, for the ni, kita akan pergi kepada pesanan iklan sebentar. Okay, so we will be back after a short commercial break. Stay tuned with us. Okay, so we are back after a short commercial break. So ini adalah quizzes link. Okay, untuk modul 1. Modul 1, setakat ni 15 participant saja yang sudah queue untuk masuk. Okay, adakah ini nombor sebenar? Sekiranya anda belum masuk, please tolong join. We want to start. I think we will give another 1 minute and then we're going to click start. And how about module 2? Modul 2 bagaimana? Bagaimana perkembangan dengan modul 2? Okay, kita sedang menantikan isyarat dari studio.
Yeah, we'll start in about 2 or 3 minutes. We'll let everyone join first. Let them settle down. Maybe I think a lot of people are not familiar with the quizzes, how it works, so we might let them settle down first, no worries. And also guys, again I want to remind, you all can comment down, even as we go on in the competition, you all can comment, not just the answer, anything you want to say, you can comment down, not anything lah. Please lah, don't comment your inner feelings, please. Don't lah convert your inner feelings all to message, please ah.
Korang yang mana kawan-kawan tak masuk lagi tu, boleh bagi link kat diorang, panggil-panggil ke. Mesti ramai yang classmate kan. Nanti kalau lambat start, lambatlah habis.
Caying, of course you can. You can join the penonton punya Okay, so this is the link. Okay, this is the link. You can stand by there to join. Okay, Chaying.
The link we already sent it again in Telegram also. Those who cannot find the comment, you all can go to the Telegram group, try to find that. Whoa. I see module 2 a lot of people.
Okay, boleh kita tengok module 2 punya ni berapa orang sudah join module 2? How many are on standby? Boleh kita lihat module 2 berapa orang sudah standby?
Oh, wow, sir. Module 3, everybody already joined, sir.
Kehadiran 100%, ha?
Yes.
Okay, how about module 1? Module 1 sekarang berapa perkembangan dia?
Module 1 just now 50 and now more than 60 already.
Okay, I think we can start.
Yeah, keep on joining.
We can start. Let's start. Let's do the UK time, not the Malaysian time. Okay, so are we ready to launch? Boleh kita launch?
Okay, sir, dah start.
Okay, right. Okay, so let us go. All the best, guys. Okay, so wow, question yang pertama. Interesting, eh? Jay, bagaimana?
It's very interesting.
So as our competitor sedang menjawab, okay, kita akan melihat soalan. Okay, soalan demi soalan, cuba mengupas bagaimana. Okay, and those who are still following us in the comment section, you can just drop comment. Tapi tolong jangan bagi tahu jawapan. Okay. Alright, Jay, you wanted to say something?
Nothing, sir. I said, actually I didn't say anything, sir.
Kiki, macam mana soalan ni? Boleh jawab?
Ni macam lebih kurang macam tadi Cik Yu explain je.
Itulah penting kena dengar tips and trik. Okay, let's tengok soalan kedua. Wow. Ada tips ke ni? Kiki, ada tips ke? Ingat ke apa yang Sisi cakap sebentar tadi? Soalan 2 ni.
What this one I don't remember lah, sir. Hello,
No, sir.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Supremo J, ada tips ke ni?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Ada tips ke ni?
Actually, I don't want to tell, sir. Then nanti they all, I want it to be more challenging, so I'm not going to say anything.
Bagilah tips sedikit. Kedekut ilmu betul lah tahun ni.
Sir, no, okay. Not the ilmu, sir. No, sir. We brought A students, sir. This is a 100% professional competition.
Oh, professional lah. Tapi ini kita panggil apa? This one we panggil apa? The sin 2x, cos 4x. Macam it reminds of a formula, right? Ada satu formula kan?
Yes, sir. Betul. Tadi Cik Yu ada cakap.
Double angle or something. Itu je lah. Tak mau cakap lebih lah. Okay, mari kita pergi question 3. Oh.
Lebih kurang je tadi punya question.
Ini kita ada sin square. Macam kalau tengok tadi Cik Yu cakap 3 benda kan. Satu yang direct. Lagi satu kalau ada power 2. Lepas tu ada power 2. Lepas tu dia combine dengan another function. Nak bagi hint ke? Hint untuk ni.
Alah, sir. Masing-masing dapat A. Tak apa.
That's why. Not give everything lah, sir.
Okay. Tak apa. Saya baik. Okay. Double angle. Double angle apa? Figure out sendiri. Okay. So we are looking at question number 4. Okay, macam ini adalah sama dengan soalan tadi. Okay, the same question. So you no need to do the same thing twice. Habiskan soalan memang boleh nampak because it's asking about the second term. Tadi kalau tengok tu first term. Okay, then this one is for the second term punya value. Alright. So it's the same question. Okay. Macam mana ni?
This one, sentiasa ada orang kata salah dengan diffraction punya
Macam ada
formula.
relation kan atas bawah tu? Ada relation kan? Ada satu formula kan? Penting kan? Ada belajar dekat semester 1 pun. Yang ada F, ada F prime. So kod-kod orang yang tengah buat tu sedang dengar kita punya live stream. Dapatlah hint. Okay. So sementara kita tengok, kita bincangkan, we can go and see our leaderboard, what's happening. Okay, let's see what's happening dekat leaderboard kita. Alright, so take this away. Let's go and see our leaderboard. Perkembangan semasa, live reporting of what is happening. Why it's not presenting?
So how do you want to say hi?
Hi everyone.
How Jen?
Hi Steven.
Why is it not presenting? Hi, how Jen? Can't seem to present your... Okay, there you go guys, there you go. So this is the live score of what is happening perkembangan semasa. Oh wow, Kairin sedang mendahului. Okay, Tania, okay, sedang mendahului dekat situ. So we can see some live updates here. Oh, tapi telah dipintas oleh Nur Batrisha. Tidak tahu dari kelas mana, panjang nama dia. Okay, so it's quite a tough fight, close fight. Okay, table akan berubah pada bila-bila masa. Ini adalah untuk modul yang pertama ya. Bagaimana modul kedua? How Jen? How about module 2? How is module 2 punya performance? Maybe some of them might be very interested to see how they are doing. So sekiranya ada rakan-rakan anda yang sedang bertarung di sini. Oh, there is a familiar name there. I think that's Kwan Weaven, M4013, very active student. Semua dia masuk, semua competition dia ada. Okay. Fitram hari tu pun ada. Okay, kawan kepada Chinyu. Okay. Okay, how is the module 2 doing? How Jen? Yeah, module 2, let's take a look at the live. Okay, so module 1, 71 participant sedang bertarung. Okay. Sedang mencuba nasib. Oh, so this is module 2, Fakur Razi sedang mendahului. Okay, diikuti oleh Lala. Okay, orang suruh type nama penuh, dia pergi letak nama samaran. Saya pun tak tahu siapa tu Lala. Next kali tolong tulis nama betul. Okay, diikuti oleh Wani. Okay, so this is the live coverage, okay, of module 2.
Selesai, nombor 4 dengan nombor 2 tu kawan saya.
Oh, ya ke? Oh, sekarang time semua orang cuba claim lah ni.
Kiki, kau bagi jawapan ke? Kenapa kau...
Tak, saya rasa ni kena query ni. Akta rahsia yang telah ditandatangan. Bukan soalan bocor
No lah,
Kiki, kenapa kawan kau...
Kita
Ada
honest
soalan
tau.
bocor ke ni?
Mana ada soalan bocor?
Guys, tolong professional guys.
Tak ada soalan bocor
Tahu sir.
Okay, bagaimana dengan modul 3? Modul 3.
Yes, please. Can we
Take it
show
away.
module 3 please?
Let's see perkembangan di modul 3. Okay, so kita sedang menunggu. Okay, Haujian yang sedang menjaga teknikal. Oh, Nurdini. Ini student saya ni. Tapi saya tak bocor apa-apa.
This is not fair, sir.
We are being very professional.
Diskriminasi.
We are being
Please
very
be
professional. Okay.
Please be professional, sir.
Mengaku saya lecturer dia. But then you know, it's a place where orang-orang hebat. Okay, wujud. Okay, so there you go. Oh, masih di atas. Okey, Nurdini. Okey. Kita tidak pasti bagaimana sambutan daripada penonton di rumah. Aujen, bagaimana penonton di rumah? Ada apa-apa perkembangan? Bagaimana penonton di rumah? So, ini adalah slot yang tidak dijangka penonton di rumah. Okey. Oh wow, penonton di rumah ada 17 orang 17 orang penonton di rumah. Okay, so ini adalah sesuatu yang tak disangka.
Saya nampak Syahing, peminat setia kita.
Ya, betul tu. Okay, betul tu. Tiba-tiba, Eng Chaying ni dia bagus. Semua aktiviti di YouTube dia akan join. Academy YouTuber especially. Okay, so not bad, not bad. Okay, kita akan datang, jenguk balik nanti ada perubahan dekat kita punya ni atau tidak leaderboard. Saya pasti, okay, pertemuan yang sangat-sangat sengit akan berlaku. So, mari kita pergi tengok, okay, macam mana soalan-soalan yang kita ada. Thank you, Hao Jiang. Okay, penjaga teknikal kita dari studio. Okay, thank you very much. You are doing a very great job. Okay, in fact, all of you are doing a very great job. Okay, so kita pergi kepada soalan kita. Okay, di mana kita stop tadi. Okay, so tadi soalan nombor 5. Oh, soalan nombor 6. Berkait rapat dengan soalan nombor 5 tadi. Kita tengok. Oh, Sifu Chin Yu. Now and then, dia appear. Dia tengok sekiranya ada tips-tips yang diberikan tadi, yang dibincangkan tadi. Okay, muncul atau tidak. Alright. Okay, so this is your question 6. Okay, kalau you tengok memang atas dengan bawah tu ada kaitan. Atas dengan bawah tu ada kaitan. Alright. This is something nice. This is macam soalan... Mr. Chin Yu nak komen ke Mr. Chin Yu? Maybe you want to comment a bit?
Salani.
Yeah,
I
Mr.
think
Chin Yu.
yes, this is the easiest question of the test.
Yeah, I think if they were listening to you, okay, very closely, especially the last part, then I think this is a piece of cake, right? Okay, this is a piece of cake.
Yes, sir. I think the answer is C. No?
Oh, are you distracting them? Are you distracting them?
No, sir. But my gut's feeling is C.
Your gut feeling, your gut feeling. You don't want to get them wrong, right? Especially now, the leaderboard sangat sengit.
You sure not A?
Oh, I think it's donkey now.
Oh no. Maybe saya rasa Kiki nak cakap C.
Jangan percaya, please.
The Supremo putting answer B.
Alright, so kalau tengok memang this question is related to your question number 7. So tak payah nak buat kerja 2 kali. Okay, so if you this thing, okay, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, so you just have to continue, okay, with your working. And I think question number 9 also is similar. Okay, because after you sudah arrange, okay, then you integrate. This is your result yang you patut dapat. So want to see what is P. So the reason why the question is designed in this way is kita tak ada orang yang menggunakan chat GPT ke menggunakan photomat ke untuk menjawab soalan. Okay, so hopefully, okay, it's a battle of best of the best. Begitu. Okay, and we know Supremo are the best of the best also, but they sacrifice themselves, okay, memberikan ruang dan peluang untuk pelajar-pelajar lain join. Saya rasa kalau Supremo join, memang leaderboard dah lain macam sekarang. Betul tak, J?
Correct, sir. If we all join, confirm my name number 1, Kiki number 2, Chinyu number 3. Confirm 1, sir.
No lah, I lah number 1. Why you number 1?
Okay. Jangan gaduh. Apa yang saya suka kat sini, semua satu Malaysia.
Yes, very professional.
Yeah, very professional. Correct. Very professional. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Okay, question number 10. So question number 10 pun. Okay, so kalau tengok dari question number 7 sampai number 10 is the same question. So maybe some of you wondering, 25 soalan, you bayangkan 7 sampai 10. It's asking the same thing only. Okay, it's asking about the same thing only. Okay, so this one, kena hati-hati ni, kena hati-hati. Tapi kalau you tengok formula ni, something yang very familiar dari form 5, betul tak? Kiki, betul tak Kiki? Kiki, oh Kiki, ingat tak?
Ingat tak?
Ingat tak?
Tunjuk tolong.
Tak ingat, tak
Kalau
ingat.
tengok ada cos X, tapi dengan sin X pula. Lepas tu ada cos 2X, lepas tu ada sin 2X. I hope it reminds them of a formula that we saw during their SPM days. Okay, so kita mungkin ada sedikit update daripada our technical. Okay, Mr. Hao Jian. Okay, let us go and see what he's got for us. Okay.
So nanti kan kita orang akan bagi satu PDF yang compile all the trigonometry punya formula in the group. So if you want to have that PDF, please join our Telegram channel
Okay,
lah.
so Hao Jian, maybe you can show the leaderboard. Show the leaderboard. Okay, so mari kita lihat some live commentary of what is happening. So dekat sini boleh nampak. Oh, tapi Mr. Hao Jian cuba bermain-main dengan kita ketika pakar mathematics, Mr. Raj cuba membuat analisa. Mr. Hao Jian telah sabotage. Tak apa, saya akan jumpa di hari Isnin. Dia cuba sabotage analisis saya. Tak apa, dengan itu kita akan balik kepada soalan. Okay, kita pergi balik kepada soalan.
Sir, bukan sabotage sir. Line sir, line.
Line pun kira aktiviti sabotage juga. Okay, so mari kita tengok soalan 12. Okay, soalan 12 kalau kita tengok yang 7 ada apa-apa power. So this is also a exponent. This is also something we call exponent. So tadi video ada tunjukkan satu cara yang menarik untuk ingat macam mana cara nak integrate benda ni. So hope guna betul yang ditunjukkan oleh Inyo. Alright, so this one ini lagi satu tips lah. Ini lagi satu tips menggunakan formula yang kamu ada tengok dalam differentiation. Yang ada F dengan F prime tu. So in case some of you are struggling, there you go, tips. Okay, F prime boleh guna tu untuk integrate benda ni. Tolong hati-hati. Of course, Cinyu ada beritahu kalau ada X square kat bawah, tolong hati-hati. Tapi dekat sini, this is totally a different scenario compared to previously because kat atas tu ada function juga. And kalau you tengok atas dengan bawah, the functions are related. Okay, the function are related because atas tu one power less. So there you go, I'm giving a very big hint here. So hope you use the formula correctly. Jay, digesting what I'm talking about? Or you thinking about
Yes,
some Tamil
sir.
meaning?
No, sir, I'm digesting everything you said, sir.
I take note your words.
Alright, berapa masa yang kita ada Kiki boleh laporkan ke berapa masa yang kita ada? Because kita peruntukan 30 minit untuk competitors kita menjawab. Berapa minit tinggal
Sekejap ya sir, I check with the technical.
Okay, so kita menantikan berita dari technical crew because masa yang diperuntukkan untuk 25 soalan adalah 30 minit sahaja. 30 minit sahaja. So kita akan tengok komen daripada technical crew tentang itu. Okay, so apa pelaporan daripada tim teknikal, berapa masa yang kita ada?
Yes, sir, they're still working it out, sir.
Okay. Alright, so let us go to the next question. Question 14. So ini satu soalan yang sangat menarik Selalu student buat mistake. Okay, so kita ada beberapa pilihan. Saya rasa A kot. Kan, kopi. Lepas tu
I think C, sir.
kan, dengan differentiation dia, betul kan? I think A lah. What do you think
Besok
I
kalau
think
sekali
so.
tengok pun boleh salah sir.
A kan? Bukan ke?
Sir, I think C, sir.
Salah sir. Nampak tak panjang jawapan dia?
Oh, ini lagi satu teknik Kalau panjang
Yes.
kita pilih tu.
Actually,
Menarik tu. Menarik.
So we
Okay,
just have
so
an update from the technical. There's
Okay.
9 minutes left.
Oh, 9 minutes. 9 minutes left. Okay, so guys, if you are still answering the question, still long way to go. 9 minit saja, anda ada 9 minit. So tolong lajukan kamu punya ni. Okay, so lajukan. Alright, so if you see here, question number 15. Ini tips yang sama macam tadi. Kalau ada lawn, you should be thinking of F prime and also so tips untuk anda. So there is 58 people who are masih membuka YouTube. So you get to hear our tips that we are discussing. Okay, so kalau ada lawn itu, you should be thinking of the lawn punya family. That means you integrate up and down tu. Okay. Question 16. What is the value of R? Ini kena hati-hati ini. Again, quite closely related to previously. Okay, kepada previous punya benda. Okay, so because ada lawn punya family itu family kena pegang very kuat dengan kamu, because kalau kamu pergi differential equation pun, family itu kamu guna banyak. Okay, family F prime over F. So in a way, terkeluar juga dari mulut saya. Okay, terkeluar juga dari mulut saya. F prime over F.
Janganlah sir. Senang nanti.
Sir, this is very unprofessional, sir.
I'm just a normal, typical Malaysian educator.
Sir, this is very disappointing, sir.
Saya rasa ada orang sedang buat wudu. Dia sedang cuba buat saya cakap lebih. Dia saya tersyasul. Okay, Jay. What is this?
This is question 17, guys. So they want us to find the value of P and Q.
They very interesting. Very interesting.
Guys, this is very interesting, guys.
Dia punya explanation short, simple and
Professional.
very professional.
Saya bagi hint, Form 5 ada buat ini benda.
Sir, Form 5, I skipped this question, sir.
Hey, how now you ended up in matrix? Jala Supremo.
Hello Jay, move on lah. Already 1 year.
Sorry. I move on.
Move on, dia sekarang tak tahu macam mana nak move on lepas matrix. Okay, berapa minit kita ada lagi? Technical crew, berapa minit lagi? I think 5 minutes, right?
Yes, around 10:34 like that, we are going to end the quizzes.
Alright, okay. Oh, there you go. This one, kena hati-hati. Trigo. I know many of you guys don't like Trigo. Oh, sebentar.
Yes, sir, correct. Hate Trigo, sir. Horrible topic, sir. Very unprofessional topic.
Tekanan daripada penonton untuk you.
Saya tengok tu.
Alright, Trigo ni, kena, I mean, cannot terlalu ni sangatlah anti Trigo, right? At some point you need to know how to do, because as I say, differential equation pun ada benda ni so you must know. Okay, tak boleh nak cross Trigo you terus give up, tak boleh. Alright, so got another 5 or 6 more questions. So masa pun tinggal lagi 5 minit sahaja. Okay, so let us tengok leaderboard, how is it going. Okay, let us go and see. Oh, ada yang sudah habis dekat sana. Oh, wow. We got a first, second and third dibincangkan.
Module 2 is not finishing yet.
Alright. So
Only
yang ini,
module 1 and module 3. So faster module 2.
okay, so module 1 and module 3 sudah habis. Macam tu. Oh,
Yes
wow.
sir. Module 1 and module 3 already done. Module 2 je tinggal.
Oh, wow. That's interesting. So, wow, we got some live updates. Not bad. Okay, so we got some live scores here. That's interesting. Oh, ada satu orang yang dapat semua betul Chair from M6024. Okay, Chair from M6020. Sekejap, saya nak ambil gambar. Sekejap.
Very
Sekejap.
power lah dapat full mark. Boleh share tips tak nanti?
Ini saya rasa kena jemput dia naik konti ni round 2. Kena
Correct, sir.
jemput konti round 2. Okay.
Setuju.
Yeah. Okay, so 75 participant 75 participant for module 1. Okay, that's interesting. Good job guys, good job. So masa kita tinggal, oh is it 10:34 already? Do we still got another 2 more minutes?
Like 3 more minutes, sir.
3 more minutes, 180 seconds. So those yang belum habis lagi, tolong habiskan. Okay, and this is our standing untuk module 2. Okay, so remember top 3. Okay, you are in for the prize. Okay, of course, it's going to look very good on your CV. Oh wow, Fahmi nombor 7 student saya, Wani nombor 6 student saya.
Sir,
Dah lah, cukup lah.
please.
You
Ini
only
tiada
say your
kena mengena
tujuh.
dengan
Macam mana yang
hidup
lain?
maupun mati. Alright. Yang lain saya tidak kenal. Okay. Oh, my crush Chinyu. Wow, this is interesting.
Oh.
My crush Chinyu.
My crush Chinyu.
I think Chinyu has to belanja me coffee lah Monday.
Sir, I told you so many people ask me his number.
Chinyu.
Cinyu senyum sampai ke telinga.
Ya, saya rasa malam ni dia tak jadi tidur kot. Alright, so masa berbaki lagi 1 minit, I believe. Okay, masa berbaki lagi 1 minit. So selepas ini apa akan berlaku? Kita akan jemput Grace, okay, untuk buat sedikit kupasan tentang 3 soalan yang kebanyakan pelajar mendapat salah. Okay, so Grace already on standby. So Grace di Peneng is a very sweet girl. Okay, so in case anda
Yes,
ingin
sir.
kenal
Very sweet,
siapa dia,
sir.
boleh tunggu. Sebentar lagi dia akan membuat kemunculan ya. Walaupun dia tidak cukup tidur, okay, saya jumpa dia pagi tadi, tapi dia tetap semangat, okay, untuk memberikan kupasan untuk 3 soalan terakhir. So I think time's up, right? Time's up, right guys?
1 minute, sir. 1 more minute.
1 more minute. Ini masa apa? Masa kecerahan? Atau you cuba bantu girlfriend you?
No, sir. No, sir. No.
Oh, she.
No, sir.
So you're admitting on a live program that you got a girlfriend. Who is this person?
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, please, sir. Be professional, sir. No, I didn't say, sir. Some people commenting, sir. They tell you be professional.
Oh. Ya,
Listen,
Cayao,
listen,
Mr. Raj
listen,
kenal
listen,
saya.
you
Saya kenal
professional,
you.
sir.
Sudah promote you kepada student metric. Okay, you are a very dedicated person. Alright.
Thank you.
So, kita tengok secara imbas, okay, last 5 soalan yang kita ada. Question 21, question 22, question 23, 24, and 25. And I think kita akan mengakhiri, okay, and quiz, okay, waiting for signal from the technical team. So, technical team, please confirm that kita sudah habis.
Just 1 more minute.
Oh, 1 more minute.
Bagi Chan lah sir. Sekejap je.
Okay, so 75 of you, okay, following us on YouTube live. Thank you very much, guys, for still staying with us 10:30 on a Saturday night. sacrificing your dating time, your talking time with your loved ones. Thank you so much. God bless you with A for your PSPM. And to all my supremos, thank you very much for your dedication. May God bless you with A for your PSPM. All right.
Thank
Love
you,
you guys.
sir.
Thank
We
you,
love you
sir.
too, sir. God bless you, GBU, sir. GBU, sir.
Sir, nampaknya Sri
Ya,
ada
kita
kat
ada
komen.
komen daripada penonton ya. Suka tolong girlfriend. Okay, so I think we can invite Grace. Grace, are you ready, Grace? Okay, maybe we can hear from Grace. Grace, are you ready in the studio for sharing?
Hi guys.
Oh, so
Yep,
here you
I'm sharing my
go.
screen.
Okay, so over to you, Grace.
You want to? Alright, so the top 3 questions we have here are question number 5, 16 and 24. So I'll go one by one lah. And if anybody has any questions, can type in the comment section. And if you need me to explain further ke, just let me know, yeah? Okay, so question number 5. Ini comparison kan? So how do we start this question? For me, I would differentiate both sides to hilangkan the integrate. Okay, we do together. So d dx ln cos x equals to d dx integrate p over cos x dx. Alright. Yang tepi sini boleh hilangkan already. Okay. As we know, ln, when you differentiate ln, you akan dapat 1 per cos x. Lepas tu, you don't forget to differentiate the cos x in here as well. So, you just use your formula sheet, cari yang cos x differentiate, betul. You get negative sin x. Okay lah. As you can see, you boleh buat comparison dah. You nak cantik sikit pun boleh letak macam ni. Okay, so dapat jawapannya P equals to negative sin x. Any questions, do let me know in the comment sections here. Okay, I'll be moving on to question 16. Okay, ni question 16 sama corak dengan question 5 tadi. So, I will differentiate both sides. The tip to jawab soalan dengan betul is you do step by step tau. You don't skip steps because that will make you very easy to buat careless mistakes. This is from experience. Saya dulu skip step, lepas tu dapat salah. Especially during SPM. So hati-hati, okay? As we see just now, sini boleh hilangkan the integrate. And then ln 1 per 9 minus 2x. Lepas tu, kena differentiate yang dalam sini. Okay, negative 2. Alright. Salin balik yang tepi. Okay. So, jawapan dia apa? Jawapan dia R equals to negative 2. D. Okay. Can you talk Melayu? Saya tengah campur-campur sekarang.
Janganlah bully Grace semua orang.
Saya tengah try my best.
Saja je Cahing nak main-main tu.
Okay.
Question 16, ada soalan ke?
Okey, sekiranya ada soalan, boleh tanya dekat chat box. Boleh tanya dekat chat box. So, another one more final question, okay, to be discussed before we wrap up things.
Question 24. Saya juga predict ni yang banyak orang dapat salah because working dia sangat panjang. Okay, so we tackle it one by one, step by step, okay? So, salin yang bahagian kiri ni. X over X square plus 1 minus X square plus 2. Ada satu rules untuk integration. Jika you ada tambah ke tolak, you boleh pisahkan kepada satu-satu section sendiri. So that is what we're going to do. Okay. Yang ni 1/x. You differentiate, dapat apa? Dapat ln x. Okay. Yang tepi ni pula sangat complicated kan? So jika you tengok bawah sini ada x square tambah 1. Kita guna substitution method. U sama dengan x square tambah 1. Nasib baik untuk korang, ini x square tambah 1 boleh digunakan untuk kedua-dua bahagian sini. Okay, so u equals to x square plus 1. You kena differentiate ni. Du dx sama dengan 2x. Okay, you tukar macam ni, dx sama dengan du over 2x. Lepas tu you sub dalam equation. Okay, so sub. Okay, hati-hati sini. Ini tu. Ini ada square, so jangan buangkan square tu. Tekalkan square tu. Okay. Salin balik ln x. Okay. So tengok ni sekarang. Ini x, ini juga ada x. Maksudnya kita boleh potongkan x. Tinggalkan 1/2. Integrate 1/u du. Sama dengan sini juga, x potong dengan x. Maksudnya 1/2 integrate 1/u square du. Okay. Lepas tu 1/u kita integratekan dapat ln u. Untuk 1/u square, jika nak step by step, kita boleh tukar kepada u power negative 2. Okay, sambung ln x tolak 1/2 ln u. So, ini macam mana nak integrate untuk u power negative 2. Kita guna cara tambah 1 bahagi dengan power ni. Power ni bawa ke bawah. Jangan lupa ini kena letak plus c. Kerana ni indefinite integral kan, so kita kena plus c. Okay. Lepas tu ln x. Ini nak reti sikit lah, ln jika ada fraction ke, ada nombor solid kat depan ln, kita boleh jadi power kat belakang tau. Ini kena revise sikit SPM syllabus. Okay? U power 1/2. Okay. Dan sini, because sini ada negatif, sini ada negatif juga, jadi positif. Okay, so kita just pindahkan U ni ke bawah. Okay. ln tolak ln. Ini power 1/2 sama dengan apa actually? Sama dengan apa, Ki?
Sama dengan set.
Betul, sama dengan set.
Dapat juga mangsa kata fi
Okey.
ya.
Ya. Okey. Sini juga nak reti ln formula. Jika ada ln dan tolak antaranya, boleh jadi satu ln ini bahagi dengan ini. Okey. Kena revise tau semua. PSPM nak datang. Okay. So, akhir sekali kita kena sub balik. Aku kayu. You tadi kita x square plus 1. X bahagi x square plus 1. So, x square plus 1 tambah C. Okay, sekarang kita boleh buat comparison. Ini dengan ini. Kita tengok, ini P kan? P yang kita nak. Ini. So, jawapan dia apa? Jawapan dia D.
Okay. Also, I
boleh
want to
faham tak?
just, also sorry yang Grace to interrupt. Also, there is another one more way using the formula F prime over F. Boleh guna tu. So, sekiranya ada orang yang tengah curse, kenapa guna substitution? Bukan substitution round 2 ke? Boleh guna F prime over F. So, you can use that method. So, maybe that method I will share in the Telegram group lah. Telegram group Clash of Mathematicians. Boleh tengok. Okay, method alternative. Alright? Okay, so ada soalan? Boleh lontarkan kepada Sifu Grace. Ada soalan? Okay, so overall I think that should do. Thank you very much, okay, Grace, for sacrificing your sleep and everything. Really appreciate it. God bless you, girl. Thank you very much. Alright.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
Okay, thank you, Grace. Okay, so we have come to the end of the program. Okay, terima kasih banyak-banyak kepada orang yang mengikuti rancangan kami. So, what is going to happen next? So, the result will be announced on the Telegram group and also a short video. Okay, so we'll be posting a short video also on the result. And siapa yang akan berjaya mara untuk round yang kedua. So, round yang kedua dengan round yang ketiga akan berlaku pada masa yang sama. Okay, di siaran YouTube. Okay, so tolong nantikan for further updates. And untuk round yang kedua, it's about substitution and also integration by parts. Okay, so that is what you've been looking for. So before we wrap up, so maybe a few words from Supremo J and also Supremo Kiki.
Okay guys, we have come to the end of this. Actually, I want to say thank you on behalf of all the Supremos. Thank you for you also sacrificing your time in doing this with us. Thank you. I hope nobody got cheated on your team because we really wanted this to be effective, help you out before PSPM. That's why we, even though the academic fiesta today, we wanted to start today because we wanted to finish before study week, before PSPM. So I want to say on behalf of all Supremos, thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, so before kita pass kepada Kiki, I think it will be good if we make a tribute to our Supremos. So here you go. Alright, Kiki, over to you. Few words.
Dalam pendapat saya lah, saya nak cakap terima kasih tau semua sebab korbankan masa jawab kan. Dah lah malam-malam, patutnya korang boleh lepak tapi korang korbankan masa korang untuk jawab matematik. Even though some of you use ChatGPT ke something ke, still you get some knowledgeable kan, tips and trick, you know.
Kita ada.
Okay lah, I assume all of you is professional lah.
Yeah, being professional. Alright. Okay, so I think we call it a day. Thank you very much kepada penonton. Jumpa anda on Saturday next week. Okay, signing off, Mr. Raj, Kian PK, Jay in the studio, Kiki and Grace in the studio, and all the Supremos there. Thank you very much. Love from KMTK. See you guys next week. Ciao.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Marah semua para ilmuwan, semai ilmu kepada anak wawasan, tak kira di utara selatan, sampaikan ilmu penuh kesungguhan. Akademi YouTuber Malaysia, rangka laksana dengan jitu, penuh bermisi guru ayu, mencapai misi yang satu. Permisi kita, bantu kita, bermoto sendiri yang kita biasa, bersama kita luar biasa, berjasa demi nusa bangsa.
Akademi YouTuber Malaysia, berpadu bersatu keluarga ayu, memberi ilmu tanpa jamu, siap sedia menyumbang ilmu.
Ilmu diberi juga dikongsi pada semua generasi yang terkini, lahir generasi yang berkualiti, sedia berkhidmat pada pertiwi. Akademi YouTuber Malaysia, rangka laksana dengan jitu, penuh bermisi guru ayu, mencapai misi yang satu. Permisi kita, bantu kita, bermoto sendiri yang kita biasa, bersama kita luar biasa, berjasa demi nusa bangsa. www.academyyoutuber.com. Berusaha ayu, capai kecemerlangan, berpadu ayu, cipta kegemilangan, bersatu ayu, bina wadah terbilang, terus berjaya bersama ayu.
Berusaha ayu, capai kecemerlangan, berpadu ayu, cipta kegemilangan, bersatu ayu, bina wadah terbilang, terus berjaya bersama ayu.
Marah semua para ilmuwan, semai ilmu kepada anak wawasan, tak kira di utara selatan, sampaikan ilmu penuh kesungguhan. Akademi YouTuber Malaysia, rangka laksana dengan jitu, penuh bermisi guru ayu, mencapai misi yang satu. Permisi kita, bantu kita, bermoto sendiri yang kita biasa, bersama kita luar biasa, berjasa demi nusa bangsa.